Okay, people, what's going on? We are back. Episode 2. Episode 2, yeah, in setting up my pressure washing business. Now, as I've covered before, I'm in Reading and Newbury, yeah, so if you are local to those areas, make sure to hit me up in the comments. We'll get back to you. Also, before we get any further in the video, yeah, I want to big up all my subscribers. Yeah, I see ya. Don't know who you are, but I see ya. Yeah, it's like that, yeah. But big up everybody that's viewing the thing. I've almost got over 1,000 views on YouTube already, which is mental for me, yeah. So that's gonna be a crazy one. But anyway, without further ado, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Keep subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell the other friend that was friends of the first friend. But we're gonna get into this, yeah. Yesterday, I was able to assemble it all. Got it all together. Everything is everything in, yeah. So we're gonna wang that there, yeah. We're gonna unravel it. What do you know about unraveling? That's what it says in the box. That you have to unravel all of it before you get me, and you don't want the kinks. Now I want the kinks in all your thing. So let's just walk it. We've already hit a kink. Okay, we've already hit a kink. That's a problem. There you go. Perfect. Right, so now we've got that attached. We have the hose. Oh, that's a bit close. We have the hose attached. I do like the way that this is all like compact and everything is all like together. Yeah? Right, let's try this out. Right, let's plug this in. Okay. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it on. Okay. So I'm thinking maybe I should go turn the water on, then turn that on. What do you reckon? Yeah, let's do that. So what we're gonna do is gonna make a chop right here. Right, if this works, then we're up. Okay, right. Okay, sorry bro, I think we might be on job. We might be on job, you know. Let's see if it works. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just started a madness. Yeah? You see the excitement in my eyes? This one especially. Mad, yeah? Listen, we just done it, you know? Hey, it works. I haven't blown myself up. I haven't electroconvoluted myself either. And I'm happy. I splashed myself a little bit with the water, but that's alright. Everybody gets splashed in life. It's alright. But it works, you know. Hey, this is very freelance. This is the start of a very prosperous future. Yeah? Big up my 8 subscribers. This is for you. Those 2 bricks that I just cleaned are for you 2 subscribers. 8 subscribers. Doubted myself. 8. Yeah? Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. Wasn't even 5. Definitely weren't 6. Couldn't even been 7. It's 8. Right, we're here, you know. Jay's cleaning. Right. We've tested it out. It works. Amazing. Let me show you the difference in what I'm seeing. Yeah, have a look at this. This is what it was before, after. Look at that. Look at the difference. And that's with nothing. That's just with water. That's not even with any solutions or any chemicals or anything. Yeah. Hey, this is going to be an absolute madness. Yeah. So make sure to follow along with the journey. I appreciate all of you 8 subscribers and welcoming more. Yeah. Peace and love. Jay's Cleaning Services. This is video 2, episode 2. Hope you've enjoyed. Love. And yeah, remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your other friend that knew the first friend that maybe was the cousin of the second friend. Alright? Cool.